Welcome to TAMIKO'S Kitchen. Today we're having chicken Caesar salad waffle sandwich, and it's great to make with your kids because it's so easy. This is also a great appetizer, and you know the Super Bowl is coming up, so dig in. We have turkey bacon here. If you want to use pork bacon, you can. We also have cheddar and mozzarella plant-based cheese. We have our garlic, onion, black pepper, sea salt, and paprika for seasoning. 2 eggs. We have our rotisserie chicken, leafy romaine lettuce, plant-based Parmesan dressing, Parmesan cheese that's plant-based, and mini croutons. Okay, so now we are deboning this rotisserie chicken. You can leave the skin on if you want. I like the skin. So I'm just deboning it. Pull it apart. It's fairly easy. It's already soft and tender. So you'll see once I get this in the bowl, I'll take my fork and kind of shred it a little bit. But as you can see, I'm just pulling the bone right off. Just pulling the chicken off the bone. Deboning. It is literally just falling off. That's how juicy it is. After shredding your chicken, this is what it should look like. You want to make sure it's nicely shredded, kind of fine, minced chicken. The next thing you're going to do is add your chicken to a nice sized bowl so that all of your ingredients fit in without falling out while you're mixing everything together. I love this recipe. You guys, this is easy to make with your kids. It's a quick meal when you don't want to spend all day or night in the kitchen. And it's so filling. It's filled with lots of protein. So it is going to be delicious. Now we're going to add our 2 eggs. And after adding the eggs, we're going to mix it very well. Now you're going to get in there and you're going to mix it. It smells so good. Just with the rotisserie alone, we haven't even added seasonings or anything like that yet. And it smells delicious already. Now we're adding some cheddar cheese. This one is plant-based. So we add our cheddar cheese. We're also going to add some mozzarella plant-based cheese. All right. And now that we have this added, we're going to go ahead and mix this together. And as I'm mixing it, because this plant-based cheese, it's shredded kind of big, so I'm kind of mashing it to make it smaller. And don't forget to smile at your food. We got some good energy going on in this food, okay? It makes for a happy belly, okay? This is easy. And I love this. Your kids will love to do this too, especially the mixing part. Now we're getting to the good part, the seasonings. We season our chicken over here, baby. Now you can add any seasonings you want, but I'm using the garlic, the onion, the sea salt, and the black pepper, okay? With a little bit of paprika. And that's all I want for my seasoning. Make sure you add quite a bit, because when the rotisserie chicken, sometimes they can be a little bland depending on where you get it from, unless you're making your own. Now that we have this mixed, we're going to move it to the side and move on to the chopping station. Now we have our romaine lettuce. We're just going to put a little bit on the chopping board here so we can chop it up so that it's not so big, because this is going to go on our sandwich. Throw the little brown pieces away. Now we're adding this shredded lettuce to the bowl, or chopped lettuce to the bowl. And you don't need a lot of lettuce unless you like a lot of lettuce. But that's about it right there. Let me just move this to the side. Now we're gonna add our Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle as much as you like. Give that a good mix. And I also have shredded Parmesan cheese. I'm just gonna add a little bit. Just a little sprinkle. Then you add your Caesar dressing. Now I have plant-based. Feel free to use the regular Caesar dressing. All right. You just want to make sure your lettuce is not dry, so mix as much as you like for your lettuce. And then we're gonna add some croutons. I like the mini croutons. It's perfect for the sandwich. Give a nice little shake. Mix it up. Next, we're gonna turn on our stovetop so that we can fry our turkey bacon. And we're gonna put this on 4. We want it to kind of heat up quickly. And we're gonna spray our pan with some olive oil. And we're gonna add, I like bacon. I like to break it in half. Now we have our waffle griddle on, and we're just gonna give it a little spray. You wanna do top and bottom. All right. And now it's time for the chicken on the griddle. I'm just kind of like compact it together, and we're going to add it to the griddle. Get your nice size here. I think this is good. Add a little bit more. And we're going to give it a close. Ready? Oh, shucky ducky. Oh my goodness. That is nice. Look at that. All right, so this is 1/2 of the sandwich. All right, so now we're working on the other half of our sandwich here, so we're going to give this another spray. Even though it's non-stick, we still want to add a little spray to it. And then I just kind of make the mixture into a ball in my hand so it's not falling apart. Okay, you can kind of judge how big you want your sandwich to be. So I'm just compressing it together using the spoon and my hand. And then I'm going to put it on the grill. Ready? Add a little more. You want to kind of keep it together. It will stick. It's going to stick together because you have your cheese and your egg. But you just want to make sure you get a nice... All right, let's see. The ready light is on and it is ready. Just be careful if you have non-stick. Get you some silicone tongs. Okay, we're gonna put this together. Now we're gonna add the turkey bacon to the sandwich. Layer it on the bottom. Now we're gonna add our romaine lettuce mixture. And just want to put a little bit of this on top. Spread it. And then I'm going to go for another strip of bacon. Right here. I like extra bacon. We're going to put that right in the center. And then I'm going to add my chicken on top.